This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So I've got a K-bar knife that came out after the heat treat. Notice that the tang was bent that way a little bit. So I've got a wet rag here. I'm going to heat this up, and then I'm going to use pipe to bring it back. Just got to go back a few degrees to get it straight. Then I'll do the handle. So I've got the wet rag there so that that heat that I'm putting in at the joint here near the ricasso won't travel and mess up the temper of the blade. So I'm just using the pipe to give me a little bit more leverage. Interesting new kit where you can turn on the flame and then get a just a push button start. Pretty cool, pretty fast. Get up a little bit more. So again, you want to have a wet rag down here so that less heat travels into the tempered area where the blade is. It up like this just gets rid of the temper if there was any on the tang and makes the metal a little softer again, makes it pliable. I think some of the tang got hardened during the heat treat too. I would take a pipe and bend it toward me a little bit.
Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance, and we'll send you a lot more Forged in Fire videos on how to make and detail knives and swords. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.